We're ready.
Boom! Hey guys, it's Tyler with Next Venture Motorsports. We're going to show you a little quick video on how to put UHMW on our Bronco Rock Sliders. So supplied in the Bronco Rock Sliders, you'll receive it like this. We don't box the Rock Sliders up just because they'll get destroyed in shipping. So you'll get all these 1/4 by 3/4 countersunk bolts. And it's as easy as this. Put them in the holes, line them all up, and then you'll put a nut on the back side. Okay. All right. So this isn't the only part that you will install onto these rock sliders. You'll get 2 aluminum end caps as well, and that just requires 8 more bolts. That one goes there. Bolt, 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 bolt. All right, now that everything's temporarily mocked up, you will receive these 1/4 nuts with it. And all it is put the nut on the back side and tighten down the front. You will need a 7/16 open-ended wrench to get on the inside. There are pretty tight tolerance, so you'll want to put the nut on and then start them down. All right, so when you put the nuts on the inside, like I said, it is a little tighter of a fit, so you're going to back the bolt out that far. Hand thread it. And then when you go to tightening, I'm going to show you how far we want to tighten the UHMW down. Tighten the bolts onto the UHMW. So right about there where that's a flush fit, that's all you need to do to tighten that UHMW down.
Hey, you want me to record this one?
Were you not recording that whole thing? What do you think? Was it good?
That's good.
So the reason we're doing this is that you don't have to unbolt all 40 of these bolts to take them off to coat them. Now you can coat it, bolt it on, be done. There is a slight rust inhibitor on them, but it will not last very long, especially depending on what part of the country you're in. So just so you know, that's how you put the UHMW on the Bronco Rock Sliders. Thanks for watching the show.